Kamla pedals a stationary bicycle. The pedals of the bicycle are attached to a 100-turn coil of area 0.1 meter square. The coil rotates at half a revolution per second and it is placed in a uniform magnetic field of 0.01 Tesla perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the coil. What is the maximum voltage generated in the coil? What are the given data? Number of turns is given 100, area 0.1 meter square, frequency 0.5 revolution per second. Why? The coil rotates half revolution. Half is 0.5 per second. So 0.5 per second. Magnetic field is 0.01. Okay. For the rotating coil that we have already discussed in AC generator, rotating coil maximum EM is equal to NAB, right, equal to E naught sin omega t. When theta becomes 90, E naught becomes NAB omega. Okay, omega equal to 2 pi f, 2 pi into 0.2, that becomes pi. E max equal to NAB omega, NAB omega. Omega value is pi. So if you simplify, you are getting 0.1 pi or nearly 0.314 volt.